Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Dashwita Gupta, your ACCA mentor. So this particular video is all about that which exam should we choose or what factors should we consider while choosing our exams out of those optional exams in professional level. So let's first decode what all options do we have. So we have an option of AAA, that is Advanced Audit and Assurance, AFM, that is Advanced Financial Management, and then you have ATX, that is Advanced Taxation, and then what we have is your APM, that is Advanced Performance Management. So which exam should exactly I choose out of these four? Okay, so let me get it sorted. First of all, you will think which exam you had a lot of interest when you did your skill level. So in your skill level, if you were too good in audit, that was my choice. I scored a 70 in my AA exam, which made me go for AAA in the professional level. But I concluded one thing, that yes, it's not that if I'm good in skill level and if I loved that subject in skill level, it will be way too higher, it will be way too difficult from that skill level exam. But yeah, the course content, since I enjoyed learning audit, that's why I loved AAA as well, right? So you will make that choice that way. That's an ethical way of choosing. Now if we talk about another way which many people do use because they are confused, let's suppose they are equally good in taxation, PM, FM and AA as well, so which exam they should go for? Then another thing that we should keep in our mind is about which industry we want to work in. For example, you're already working and in that you are working for the UK tax clients. I worked in that sector. Maybe you are working as well, or you plan to work. You plan to move to UK someday, open your own practice where not just bookkeeping, financial reporting, IFRS, UK gap compilation, but you also want to do tax assessments. So then ATX is something that you should and must choose, right? So ATX will be the best option for you. Now industry practice, let's suppose you're already working in audit field. So now audit is something that you should go for, right? Now if you're done with the industry also, like consulting, so AFM and APM, I hope all of you know that. Now if you're done with that industry, you can say assessment as well. What next? Now you should think about, okay, which exam has the best passing percentage? So I would say APM and AAA are the two subjects which have least passing percentage. Still I gave AAA. So that doesn't mean I'm a dump, but I gave it because I needed to give it for my industry, for my future prospects, and I loved audit. I never loved PM, so I didn't give APM, or I didn't like TX. Everybody knows it by now if you're following me. I don't like TX, and that's why I didn't give ATX, even though the pass percentage was way too good in ATX. So I hope you now understand which exam you have to pick up. So ATX has a very good pass percentage, AFM has a very good pass percentage, but that is not the case with AAA and APM. And still you can make these difficult choices. Is if the pass percentage is 30% out of 100, 30 are still passing, right? So you can be out of those 30. Anyway, if you've passed skill level, the passing percentage of F8 also was in 30s, still you passed it, right? So that doesn't mean you can't do it. So these are the factors you have to combine. You have to create a matrix out of these factors. Which one do you weigh the most? If somebody asked me, Dashwita, do you want to give ATX? The passing percentage is too good. I would have said no from 200 kilometers. No, because I don't like TX, right? So that's the way you will decide for yourself also. What's good for me may not be good for you. And everyone has different choices, different way of thinking, and different, tastes in industry as well as in subject choice. So these are the factors that you will consider, but mostly people go for AFM, ATX and AAA. APM also, if you're very good at PM and you see your career in consultancy, then or cost controlling, so that's also a very good subject, and it has a lot of overlap with SBL, right? So these are the best choices which many people out there have made. So you can also make a comment down which one did you choose for yourself, so that others also get to know which is the most popular choice. And yes, I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure that you do share, like and subscribe this video. And Plus, if you want to be part of my community for Diploma IFRS and IFRS in general, then please do WhatsApp me. I have linked my number below. You can follow me on my Instagram, LinkedIn, and other platforms for future updates. All the best.